Hi everyone, I'm Sanjana Prasad. Welcome to Yoga and You. Today, we're going to talk about Kapalabhati, what are its benefits, contraindications, how to begin your practice and how to progress in the practice of Kapalabhati. Kapalabhati means frontal lobe cleansing. The literal meaning, Kapala, skull, Bhati, to shine, shining skull. So Kapalabhati is a kriya or a cleansing technique which helps you to prepare, or it is a warm-up for a formal pranayama practice. Kapalabhati uses forceful exhalations and slightly longer and passive inhalations. So when you begin your practice, make sure you understand your breathing pattern first. When you inhale, your belly should expand, chest should expand. When you exhale, your belly and your chest should relax. So before we move into the practice, if you're pregnant or on your period, you have heart issues or high blood pressure, please do not practice Kapalabhati. But Kapalabhati can be beneficial because it is an energizing cleansing technique. It helps to warm up the body. It helps to clear your sinuses, making way for a long and healthy pranayama practice. So let's begin with today's practice. You're going to start by placing your right palm on your belly. Let's understand the breath first. So as you inhale, you find that your lower belly expands. As you exhale, you find that your lower belly contracts. Make sure you're not doing the opposite, right? Inhale, belly expands. Exhale, it contracts. One more time. Inhale, belly expands. Exhale, belly contracts. Now Kapalabhati uses short, forceful exhalations. So you're going to exhale forcefully through the nostrils and you're going to keep the mouth closed completely. Inhale. Start to exhale forcefully through the nostrils. Once you're comfortable with this exhalation, I want you to combine it with contracting your abdomen every time you exhale. Inhale, exhale and draw the belly in. You can use your palm to push the belly inwards. Make sure you're not doing the opposite here again. Inhale, let's try one more time. Pushing the belly in, forceful exhalation. Once you're comfortable with the forceful exhalation combined with drawing and sucking the belly in, you're going to combine this with one more aspect. When you suck the belly in, you're also going to draw up your anal muscles. So two things are going to be combined here, drawing the belly in and drawing up your anal muscles and forceful exhalations through the nose. When you begin your practice of Kapalabhati, keep the space between every exhalation a little longer. Try not to go too fast. Avoid this kind of a practice. Maintain a very moderate space. Inhale. This will be a perfect pace to go at. So we're going to try drawing the belly in and drawing up your anal muscles at the same time. Let's do 8 forceful exhalations, moderate pace. Inhale. Begin. Relax. When you are very comfortable with this technique of drawing up your anal muscles and contracting the abdomen and the forceful exhalation, you can start to speed it up a little bit, and from 8 exhalations, we can push it to 15 or 20 or even 30 repetitions. So let's try 20 exhalations at one stretch. Take a deep breath in, let your palm continue to stay on your belly and begin. 20. relax. Once you're comfortable with 20 or 30 exhalations this way, you can also advance your practice by changing the arm position in which you do Kapalabhati. So instead of placing your palms on the knees or your palm on the belly, you can lift your arms up from the sides, interlock your fingers above the head and do the same practice. Exhale and bring your hands down. If this is also very comfortable for you and you're also able to increase the speed of your practice and maintain the same 30 counts, you can do an alternative arm position, which is taking your palms on the opposite shoulder blades. Exhale and relax. When you're able to do 3 or 4 rounds of 30 exhalations each, then you can start to combine the rounds, eventually doing about 108 exhalations at one stretch in one arm position, or you can continue to change the arm positions as you do these 108 repetitions. So this is how we start from a very basic Kapalabhati practice and progress to an advanced level, combining with the anal contraction and changing the arm position, and also increased number of repetitions at one stretch. I really hope this video was helpful in understanding Kapalabhati Kriya.
We have so much of life energy within us. From this time of birth until death, we have this energy to do all our physiological functions. If this energy is not free flowing, that's when we develop a lot of ailments, a lot of diseases. So how do I regulate this prana within me? How can I make my lung capacity more, and how can I increase this life energy inside me? So in today's practice, we're going to learn something called Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. It is to cleanse your nostrils and the tubes, which helps you to breathe in. And we're going to start with any cross-leg position. You can either start with a Padmasana. If you're absolutely not comfortable with Padmasana, you can start either with Siddhasana or any comfortable cross-leg position, or sit on a chair. The only condition is here is you're seated upright. Your back is straight, your shoulders rotated back, your chest is nice and open, your chin is slightly tucked down. Keep your hands on your knees. For this pranayama practice, we're going to take your right hand, fold the first 2 fingers. So the last 2 fingers will help to close the left nostril. The thumb will help you close the right nostril. So now we're going to take the breath in through one nostril. We hold the breath in for a few seconds and we'll take the breath out to the opposite nostril. And then we take the breath from that opposite nostril, hold the breath in and to the other nostril. So let's try and see how we can do this. So close your right nostril first. You can do this with your eyes closed. Inhale, slowly take the breath through your left. Hold the breath in, close both your nostrils. As you exhale, you're going to take the breath out through your right. Right inhale. Hold. Left exhale. Make this inhale and exhale 3 seconds long minimum. Inhale for 3 seconds. Hold the breath for 3. Exhale for 3. Inhale for 3, right side. Hold the breath in. And exhale for 3, left side. One more round, left inhale. Hold the breath. And right exhale. Last time, right inhale. Hold. And left exhale. You release your hands. You do this pranayama with your eyes closed. You can immediately feel that your mind calms down. So this pranayama practice not only helps to cleanse your nostril, but also helps to calm your mind. It works both with our body and mind, and prana is the key between this body and our mind. So every time you take a breath, you try to lengthen your breath for 3 seconds. Even if you're walking, you're talking, you're moving, try and make your breath slow and steady. That will help you to gain more energy to do a very full-fledged pranayama practice. Let's say 20 minutes of pranayama practice, an advanced level practice. You need to have at least 3 seconds long inhale, 3 seconds long exhale. And this Nadi Shodhana pranayama will help you to prepare your body and mind to sit for a pranayama practice. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much for watching.